The Supreme Court heard oral arguments Wednesday for a case that could open the floodgates for reverse discrimination lawsuits. Marlene Ames sued the Ohio Department of Youth Services for allegedly denying her a promotion and then demoting her because she is a heterosexual woman. Her lawsuit was dismissed in lower courts because she represents a majority group as a straight person and has to meet a higher bar to prove discrimination. Well, in court Wednesday, the justices appeared to side with Ames. CBS News chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford joins us now for more. Jan, always good to see you. What are both sides arguing here?
Well, you explained it really well, actually. I mean, she is arguing that she should be able to take this case to a court and prove that she was discriminated against when she was replaced in her job by a gay man and then later lost out on a promotion to a gay woman. She lost in the lower courts in Ohio. They said that she had to kind of jump through this extra hoop as a non-minority to prove additional things under this federal anti-discrimination law. So she was arguing in court today that that wasn't fair, that discrimination is discrimination, whether you're black or white, gay or straight. Now, the state of Ohio, they seem to kind of agree with that, and so did most all the justices. So I think this is going to be a pretty straightforward opinion when we get it. Now, Ohio is denying her claims, though. They're saying that her allegations are false.
Okay, so, well, I guess my question then is, does it matter if her allegations are false, or is it really the rule that's at issue here? What else did the justices say?
Yeah, this case is really not about the merits of her case yet. She's just trying to get in the courthouse door. And so the door was shut to her because the lower courts here found out she didn't meet that extra burden, jump through that additional hoop. If the Supreme Court rules, which I believe that they're going to, that was unnecessary and illegal, and they kick out that extra hoop, then that will revive her lawsuit. Okay. And she'll get to go back and try to prove her case in court. And that's where Ohio officials will say, you know, this didn't really happen. It wasn't discrimination, but she'll get to try to make her case.
So how could this potentially affect future discrimination claims?
I think in a big way. It's going to be a narrow case, but Ohio is just one of around 20 other states, including the District of Columbia, that requires this additional burden on non-minorities. And so it could affect those states as well, where federal courts require that. And this decision, if it goes the way I think it's going to, and I think the justices, I mean, it was as clear cut as you can get today that this is where they were headed. I think that, you know, that would bring those states in line with the rest of the country. And by the way, that is why the Biden administration was agreeing with Ames's arguments as well. And the Trump administration now is too, Lindsay.
Okay, Jan Crawford, thank you.
Thank you.